Hello everyone. So today is day 14 and today is Ekadashi fast. So for this, I got up in the morning and I took bath, and after praying I made this prasad. And in this, in 1 tablespoon of ghee, I have added grated lauki and fried it a bit, and then added all these dry fruits, makhana and then kaju, kishmish, and roasted them nicely till they get very light brown color. So in a very low flame I have roasted these dry fruits and this lauki, and then I have added milk and sugar and some elaichi powder in it. In a low flame or in a medium flame we have to keep it like this for about 15-20 minutes, and you have to stir it continuously till it get a bit thick in the form of you know kheer. So this is basically our lauki ki kheer that I usually made in Ekadashi fast as a prasad, and this I took in the morning. And so this is the final look how the kheer looks like. Then in between I have taken one apple, like around two or three, and this is evening food what I have taken. These are the boiled potatoes. In this I have added some peanuts and tomato and hari mirch along with some black pepper. So this is what I have eaten as a dinner around 6 or 7 after evening prayer. So the day was very simple. I have just taken 2 meals and one fruit that I have mentioned in this video. So this is the end of our day 14, and tomorrow let's wait for the day 15. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.